Want a kitchen that connects to the outdoors? How about a large kitchen island with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertop? And what if that connected to a large open living space? Let's explore the captivating Kerry by D.R. Horton in Hazel Branch at Brunswick Forest. As your real estate guide, I'm excited to walk you through this one-story masterpiece, highlighting its spacious open concept and gourmet kitchen. Discover how this home perfectly balances style and functionality. Stay tuned as I'll be revealing a unique feature of the Kerry that makes it a smart choice for any homeowner. Hi, I'm Brad Moody, local real estate broker here in the picturesque Wilmington, North Carolina. I cannot wait to show you this floor plan. Let's go ahead, jump straight into it. So today we're gonna go over to Leland, North Carolina. This is just west of Wilmington here on the Cape Fear River. You'll go across the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge right here to get down to the Riverwalk area. It's only about 10 minutes away. You can get to Wrightsville Beach, Carolina Beach, Curry Beach, Southport, all within about 30 minutes if you're looking to get down to the coast. It's just a really great location, I think. Up at the top here, as soon as you enter in, you'll find Lowe's Foods here in the village. This is gonna be where you're also gonna find some other local restaurants, some small eateries, also things like maybe a local bank, some medical care facilities are gonna be there. The Welcome Center is gonna be located up here along with the community commons. The main fitness and wellness center is gonna be right up here. I actually have a video that's coming out that's gonna cover all of the Brunswick Forest community, including all of the amenities just like this one. So make sure that you subscribe if you'd like to see that video later on. Right down here is where we're headed today. So this is gonna be Hazel Branch. This is actually phase 1 and phase 2. The Kerry will be found in both phases. So if phase 1 looks like it's sold out, don't worry, phase 2 will also be carrying the same floor plan. And right over here, we'll find the Reflections Amenity Center. This one's gonna be great whenever you're looking to just get over to the pool. It's got a nice wet deck with some loungers in it, fitness center, especially when you don't wanna go up to the main one or the main one's crowded. This makes it really nice. You also have a second entry right here at 1553 that's kind of getting built up right now. So once this is completely built out and this entrance and exit is all done up, you'll actually have 2 entrances into your neighborhood, which I find is highly convenient and is really going to help you out once this place starts to finish out its build. Here's the Hazel Branch neighborhood map. Here you can see the lighter colored lots here are phase 1, the darker colored lots are phase 2. We're just starting up to see some houses now go up along phase 2 as the roads have all been done. Today we're gonna be taking a look at lot 44 though with the Kerry. It's located at 1405 Clendon Circle. These are the last few lots that are looking to get left and sold before they open up fully for phase 2. Thing that I love about this neighborhood outside of just its location, it's 2 things. Plenty of common areas around here, along with the Reflections Amenity Center that is just off screen that provides you with a pool, with a wet deck and loungers and a fitness center. There's some rentable spaces that are in there as well where you don't have to get caught up in that main drag with the fitness center and things like that in that welcome center. You've got a smaller one that you can just go to and hit up whenever you want. I love that. This Cape Todd Road is actually going to connect out. This will be another main artery. So now you've got 2 different ways to kind of get in and out of the neighborhood. The other thing that I love is the home is connected technology that comes with all of these properties. This is going to make sure that as soon as you close on your property, you are ready and fully integrated with smart home technology everywhere that you want it with just one app. And I absolutely love that. Let's take a look at the floor plan before we jump into it. So again, this one's located at 1405 Clendon Circle. Lot number 44, you'll find the Kerry. This one's a 3-bed, 2-bath option with a 2-car garage. You're gonna get 1,475 square feet with this one. It's a beautiful craftsman style ranch. I absolutely love this floor plan. Coming in at just under $340,000, if you want to make sure that you are getting the best pricing with all the incentives that you should be getting on this property, make sure that you reach out to me directly. You'll find my information in the description below. I'll make sure that you have all the current information to get you the best deal possible. If not on this one, if this one's already gone, another floor plan similar to it in the Hazel Branch neighborhood. Things that I really find awesome about this one is this large island here with this giant open space connected to your covered patio. I just think this is great for entertaining and just family life. It just really fits, I think, multiple people's needs. And when you walk into this space, it feels very grand and open, exactly what you're looking for out of a main living and entertainment space. The other thing that I really love about this neighborhood is the flooring. Here you can see all of the dark flooring here indicates LVP flooring, which is going to be through all of your common areas as well as closets and wet areas. All of your bedrooms and the closets are going to have carpet, which is actually how I prefer my flooring. So this is great. Again, things that you can't see on this floor plan are things like the home is connected technology. Another thing that's really awesome about this particular neighborhood is that you're gonna have a fully landscaped yard with irrigation. Let's go ahead and start checking out the exterior now. Homes in Hazel Branch are zoned for Town Creek Elementary School, Leland Middle School, and North Brunswick High School. Let's begin the tour. We'll start to the left in bedroom number 2. Then as well as bedroom number 3. Continuing down the entryway, you'll be met by the kitchen, dining, and living areas. Staying to the right, we'll locate both the laundry room and the 2-car garage. The kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and soft close drawers. Welcome to the primary bedroom. With a gorgeous ensuite. This ensuite features a 5-foot walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. The kitchen is also connected to the covered patio. So what features did you fall in love with? What features would you like to see added? Let me know in the comments below. If you think the Kerry is perfect just the way it is, then do not hesitate. Reach out to me. My contact, phone, email, and website are all listed in the video description below. I'd love to get in touch with you and let you know what the best pricing and incentive packages are available at that time. And if you like this content and want to see more just like it, I've created this playlist for you right here. It's got a ton of property tour videos in it, just like this one. Thanks again for watching. I'm Brad Moody. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.